So we're on the west porch here, first west porch, and we're going to start priming. This is our first priming for summer of 2020. Maybe it's always exciting to get started, and once you get started, it's a lot easier to get going and keep going. So these are some railings. This is going to go on the front porch. So this little guy is 10 feet long. This is going to go on top. Add a little decor here just to give it a little, take a little bit of the straight line away. And these are going to be the feet. So the metal railing is actually going to go like this. It's going to, these will get screwed into here, and then this is going to go on top. So the 3 feet will hold, give it the support weight-wise, and then that's going to hold it. And these are going to be fastened in too. So we're going to put a couple screws in here. Maybe that's too dark. One screw on each side for each foot, and then these are going to be screwed into the post. So I'm not sure what color these are going to be. Amy will decide that, but right now I'm going to get priming on them. And since I'm priming, I'm going to do this piece that I had put together for the water well, the well house. And this is going to be one side. Once this piece gets in, then it's going to have support on one side. So then I could take the other side apart. So I'm excited to do that because the other side's kind of a mess. This side didn't have anything, but this will look really good. And then I'll try to mimic this or come close to it, or at least similar on the other side. So time to get priming. We're going to just use the primer that we've been using all along. I don't know if you can see that because of the light, but it's our exterior primer sealer, and it should, and we've colored them heavily, so we can go over top them with any color nicely. I'm not sure if it makes a big deal, but I'd like to do it. Okay, let's get to work.